So today I'm going to be adjusting the the Valve Lash. I want to make sure that all of that is good. And then also I'm going to do technically the oil change, but I also kind of want to like clean out some of the sludge that's in there as well. So we're going to get going on that. Bro, look at all of the oil under here. It's insane. Like, it's like hardened up and like, where's it coming from? Is it the oil pan gasket? I really hope not. I think before I do anything, I'm gonna clean all of this up. Alright, this is about the best that I think I have the patience for. I just want to see if more oil ends up on top of this thing or not. And then I got transmission cleaned up as well. So hopefully that at least helps clear some of the air. Got the spark plug things out, so now we're gonna get the bolts out and we can take the valve cover off and start doing this lash adjustment. So it took a little bit of work to get the cam gear cover off. I had to take this guy out and then like oil started pouring out of here, so I plugged that up and that set aside. The cover is off. Now we have to turn the engine to get it to all the way up. Get the up to the up. So we're gonna do that in here. I believe that's the guy that we have to turn. I'm honestly not sure. I'm gonna look up a video really quick. Holy crap, this is crazy. Okay, that's pretty much it. Oh my god, where's all this oil? What is this? Where is this coming from? I think it's this thing again. Oh my fucking... my plug job quit working. Ooh, we need to do just a little bit more, actually. So we have our little slit right here in line with the block, so that's good. This is up all the way, so now we can do, I think, 1 and 3 adjustment. So I made a little thing in my notes. So 1 and 3 is closer to me. Those are the exhaust. Those are going to be for 9 thousandths. 1 and 2 are farther from me. Those are the intakes. Those are going to be 7. Then we're going to turn the engine 180 degrees, and then we'll do the other 4, which is 2 and 4 closer to me, 9 thousandths, and then 3 and 4 farther from me, 0.007. I got the wrong freaking feeler gauges. And it's 11 o'clock, so I can't just run out to the auto parts store. I'm going to go ahead and probably drop the oil just because I'm doing that anyway. I'm prepared to do that right now. I'll do the oil change, the filter change, and I'm going to try to clean up inside of this valve area. So first, I'm going to try to clean up in here best I can. I did what I could, but at this point, I'm just going to drop the oil. Oop. I'll put that there. Oh, dang it. Oh, fuck, that's hard. Oh my god. I think I might need a bigger wrench. Alright. Let's try this again. Oh my god. Why is this like impossible? I'm gonna pull this fucking car down on myself, just watch. But with power tools. We have technology. Well, bolt beats drill. Oh, I got it. I fucking got it. Fuck that, bro. Oh, that oil's disgusting. Oh. disgusting oil, bro. It's like literally sludge. Whew. Fuck me. Slowly pissing away. That oil was so dark and sludgy, so I'm glad that I did it. We still have relatively sludgy oil in the engine, but so much better than it was. I really wish I didn't get the wrong Valve Lash thing, so I could actually put this thing back together tonight. Oh well. Oil is all done draining, and I mean, I don't think that's healthy. That's with a quart of new oil as well. I used that to kind of rinse off the block a bit. It's gotta be in here somewhere. It's still dripping, so I don't want to put my head under there. Here it is. I guess you need a tool for this, huh? Something else I gotta pick up tomorrow. I thought these bitches just come off. I thought you just use your hands and... Oh shit, something just got in my eye. I'm not strong enough. Come on. Why did they fucking tighten everything down? Or everything has probably just been sitting here for so long. I don't know what the fuck. But it is fucking annoying. I'm losing strength. So it's time to get this oil filter off, these Valve Lash adjustments done, and then this job is finally finished, hopefully. And we're gonna start by doing the oil filter. I'm not looking forward to it. I bought two different things, this oil filter wrench and then also one that has like a chain on it, but I want to try this one first. It seems simpler to me, and then I also got the correct feeler gauges, hopefully. Let's get this filter off. Inshallah. Oh, it's working. It's working. It worked. Okay, this thing's gonna start pissing oil, I just know it. I'm gonna get out of the way. Oh, or not. Cool. That went way, oh, there it is. That went way easier than I thought it would. I'm literally just using a ball to catch the oil at this point. Here's the other filter. These, I'm pretty sure you just hand tight them. I think my concern is finding the hole again. Look at me go. Oil change, boy. Hand tight that on. Very good. And now let's get the oil pan drain plug put back in. And now give it like one turn with the wrench. Alright. Just like a little bit more. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. We did that shit. Fucking did it. And now it's time to go ahead and do this Valve Lash adjustment. Here we go. Here we have 0.009 going in. That's super loose. It's got a little bit of drag. That one's probably okay. Let's go over to 3. This shit sketches me out. There we go. Look, I know what I'm doing, I swear. Now I gotta redo what I just did. Okay. Oh, I forgot again. Dang it. You moved the open end, not the screw. Okay. Screw stays in place. Tighten the open end. It's still pretty loose. Been focused on this fucking tube the whole time. Now we can do 1 and 2, which is going to be the 7/1000ths. That's good. That's good. That's good. Honestly, that's good. So now we need to turn the engine 180. I don't want to go a whole nother rotation, so I'm going to check really quick. Wow, that is right on the money. Holy crap. Now we can do 2 and 4. Here's 2. Here's 4. 2. Wow. That one is super loose. Alright. Youch. Okay, keep that there. Tighten it down just a little bit. Number 9. It's pretty much good. Stupid loose. Those are so difficult to get undone. Alright, so just a little bit. A little bit. That's good enough. Now we can do 2 and 4. I ended up getting a little bit of oil inside of this spark plug. I got it all out though. It pretty much, it's as dry as it can be in there, I think. So it's time to put the valve cover back on and we're all done. So I got what I think is the power steering pump screwed back in. I got the cam gear cover screwed back in. I put the oil around the edge of the gasket and a little bit around these guys. Now I'm gonna put the Honda Bond in. Oh, I got hiccups. Mistake again. I will not break this bolt. And that's tight, and one more. Okay, let's do this again. One more and we're all good. Alright, tight, and a little bit more. Okay, this tube goes back on. These guys go back in. Budley! Uh-oh. That one goes there. That one goes there. Cool. And now to put 3.5 quarts of oil in. Okay. Totally missed the pouring on that. As you can see, I missed a lot. I know they make, like, you know, funnels or whatever, but I like making things hard for myself. Oil is no longer literally black, and it's just above the dot line, which I think is good. Alright, that is a job all done, I think. So I got the car off the jack. Everything is hopefully, inshallah, all done. I'm gonna check this guy once again. It is a little high, but I think once the juices start flowing, it'll use some of it for all of the stuff that I cleaned off in the valve. It's a little high. Should be fine. Wow. A lot of that squirrely engine noise is actually gone. I hear a little bit of it now. Of course, as soon as I say that, honestly, it's way better than it was. Wow. Alright. We're going for a drive. Y'all are not gonna stick there. I know that. Somebody commented and said that I pulled, like, that one tube that I took off that was spitting out fluid, that was the AC. So I'm curious if I actually did destroy my AC. That would kind of suck. Told you. Y'all were not staying there. Probably all of the oil burning off the headers and shit that I spilled. I bet you it's that. I'm sure she's so happy to have new oil. I'm behind somebody now, so it's slow riding. I just want to get one good pull on camera. Let's see if the air works. Yeah, it's blowing cold. Glad I didn't fuck that up. I'm gonna give this guy some time to